Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mal coming back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, before the video even gets started, bro, make sure that like button for me down below. Hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and don't forget to click that bell. Alright, so look, also don't forget to follow all my social medias right here. All y'all gotta do is scroll down and click it, the link in the description, and it'll take you right to my Instagram. So make sure you click the link in the description. Also, today we'll be reviewing some dread products that I've used and that I really wouldn't recommend for you to use, but it's very popular to use. But it just didn't work out for me, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give y'all my opinion from my experience, and what I need y'all to do is do your own research. You feel me? Take what you learned today and do your own research. That's all I expect from y'all. Alright, especially my subscribers, bro. Make sure you do that. Alright, so look. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the mango and lime Jamaican shit. You know what I'm saying? This shit right here, bro, the whole product line, bro. I mean, I can guarantee you, I can go in here, ingredients. It's gonna say alcohol. Look at that. Alcohol. Either all they products got alcohol in it, or it's like when I use their product, right? When I use the shampoo, and then I had like the oil, right? First off, the oil was heavy in my hair. You know what I'm saying? It's not like this black seed oil and this aloe. It's not like this. This oil right here is very light, okay? The oil that they had for me, bro, it was very heavy on my head. Bro, like I said, it's just my experience. Like, I'm not about to argue with you in the comment section. I'm not doing all that. That shit childish to me, right? We can have a conversation, but I'm not gonna argue with you. You dig what I'm saying? But anyways, like I was saying, either they shit leave residue on my hair, or it got alcohol in it. And if you know alcohol, like if you use alcohol on your face, it's gonna dry out your face. So what the fuck you think it's gonna do to your hair? You know what I'm saying? You spraying this shit in your hair, and it's like spray, but it's anti-itch and this and then the third. But damn near, it's gonna cause your shit to itch again. It's gonna cause you to scratch it again, like, because it's dry. It might dry out your hair or something. So look, I'm not spraying none of this shit in my hair. I don't know what it got in it. It said the ingredients on the back, but nah, I'm not putting none of this shit in my hair. Nah. I mean, it got some good oils in there. It got mineral oil, it got olive oil, you know what I'm saying? But nah, hell nah. That's not the move. That's not the move today, you know what I'm saying? Also, like, on my dread journey, bruh, I've been hearing about water. Now, what type of water, I don't really know, nigga. I just got regular water in this bitch. So, I know a lot of people use rose water, something like that. Hey, look, comment in the comment section. I'm trying to get educated like y'all. You know, I'm trying to know what y'all know. You feel me? So, comment what y'all got to comment in the comment section. We can sharpen each other. Sooner or later, I'll be making a group so we can all be in a community. But that's later on. But I got this regular bottled water, you know what I'm saying? Spray water, you dig. But I've been hearing a lot about water, like during my dread journey. I really tried to stay away from water, just cause like the first 6 months of your dreads, right? You really don't want to be around water because it's gonna cause your dreads to unravel, because you know it's gonna take your dreads at least 6 to 7 months just for your dreads to dread up, right? To lock up, right? So once I was going through all that, bro, I really kind of stayed away from water. You feel me? And then like around like the 7th month, I went to the beach. But that was about it, bro. Other than that, I really didn't have no water. And then like this year, starting of this year, around like February, I started using the shower water, you know, the steam. I heard that was good for your hair. So, you know what I'm saying? That was kind of good, but I never really moisturized my hair. I post 2 moisturized videos, so make sure y'all go check those out. But yeah, man, that's about the water. They're talking about rose water. I need y'all to comment in the comment section if you know anything about that. Now, the product that I use now, okay, it's the black oil and aloe, bro. Hold up, let me get right. That's what I use now. You know what I'm saying? That's what I use now, and it go crazy. You feel me? It go crazy. Like, I can feel the difference in my hair. I can feel my hair. It feel much heavier. Not heavier, but you gotta understand, bro. I was in the sun, bro. My shit was getting baked. Like, I be in the sun a lot, so my dreads be getting baked half of the time. You get what I'm saying? So when I say heavier, I'm not used to, my dreads are not used to, they say how the fuck is, all right, my dreads are not used to moisturizer. And I know this is gonna sound crazy, but they're not used to me moisturizing it. They're used to getting moisturized probably like every 2 months. You know what I'm saying? Or not hell no. Probably 4 months. No cap, 3 to 4 months. Cause that's when I get my retwist. I let my beauty stylist, whatever, I let her do everything she wants to my hair, bro. You feel me? I let them go crazy with my hair because it's like I don't do nothing. I just wake up and shake. You feel me? But now later on in the dread journey, you know what I'm saying, we learning different stuff. We learning about more stuff. So that's when I'm starting to tap into aloe and like what type of oils to use, what not to use in your hair. You know what I'm saying? What not to do to your hair. You feel me? And I basically got on the oil trend when my hair was getting more stripped, and I started noticing it. I probably been noticed it. But as I tap more into information about dreads and this and the third, you be like, hold on now, this ain't, I mean, it ain't right. You know what I'm saying? Like it's your hair is getting stripped. You feel me? And you can kind of feel it. If like, yo, I got dreads, right? No part of my dreads should be weak. You feel me? All of my whole dread should be strong as fuck. You feel me? And by strong, I mean condensed, tight, you know, not loose. Not like you can kind of pull it, like, nah, it ain't supposed to be like that. And that's really where all the thinning goes to too, as well. That's where the thinning comes from as well. So once I started tapping into that side, bro, that's when I really started noticing I need some oil. You know what I'm saying? Not even oil, I need some moisturizer. You feel me? Because like I just said, bro, I had bad experiences with the mango products. You know, I was using it like probably like 11 months ago. After that, bro, I did not use those products anymore. Like, I couldn't use this shit no more, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, that was just on me. But I'm proud to say I'm learning. We learning. You feel me? So comment anything in the comment section down below that you agree or disagree with. Of course, I'm not stating my opinions so you can agree with them. I'm stating my opinions because those are my opinions and those are my experiences. You feel me? So I'm just gonna state my experiences. But what I need y'all to do is go in the comment section, comment your experiences. You feel me? Make sure that subscribe button, hit that like button for me down below. Turn on post notifications. Don't forget to do that. Alright, you hear me? Make sure y'all supporting the channel. All y'all gotta do is scroll down, click on the link, and follow my Instagram right here. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.